How are you, Cold Breeze? Beamer, isa na lang para 5 star. Freaky, hello. Hi, Angelo. Ano gifts? Anong gifts? Luxury ka. Hi, Angelo! Angelo, message mo ako. Message ka ba? Nakalimutan ko yung number mo eh. Para 5 star na ako, Bin. 1K na lang. Hi, crew! How are you, gentlemen? Bad Bunny, hello. Good morning, Bad. Good afternoon, Bad Bunny. Hi, bro. Darrell, hello. Do you have work today, Bad Bunny? Vicente, hello. Cool. Where are you from, Cool? Are you closing eyes? Yeah, cause I'm sleepy. Lord, hello. Hi, Cole. Henry, hello. Do you have work, Bad Bunny? Bad Bunny? Going. Do you have WhatsApp, Bad Bunny? Sophia, hello. Or you don't have?